Hi everyone, this is Tiffany and I am back with another video. This time it's an Influenster VoxBox. And I got a pretty hefty one right here. So I thought I would share what I have in it. Just for people who are curious. If you haven't heard about Influenster, it's a reviewing website where you share your thoughts and opinions on all kinds of products. Whether it's wellness, beauty, makeup, skincare, video games, books, cleaning supplies, you name it, you can review it. And after a while, when the company sees that you're serious, there's always Vox boxes going around, which is what they call their box that they send out. They always have different themes. Some of them have like multi-themed, which this one is a summer edition. So it has different stuff in it that's like just random, not necessarily related, while others might have like, let's see, it might be makeup related or from one single brand. Like I've had, Marc Jacobs, is, Clear on My Mind, Urban Decay, things like that. And it might be like one or two products from them. It could be sample sizes, could be full sizes. They'll send you a questionnaire. They'll be like, hey, we think you might be a fit for this next coming VoxBox, and they'll send you an email, ask you to take a survey and see if you're a fit based off of your needs or your wants and things that you like. And sometimes they don't even let you know, and they'll just be like, hey, you're getting this because of things based off of your things you've already reviewed. So it's a very social website. You'll need to link social media and things to it, because we are expected to review and post and share our opinions so that other people know about it. It's a good way to market, and it's a good way for us to try things. So in my VoxBox, which I've been with Influencer for quite some time, had multiple boxes. I love sharing my opinion on stuff, whether it's good or bad. I'm just vocal about it. So, yeah. So, I was really excited about, to learn that I was getting this box. First thing that was in here that I noticed right off the bat, was these, it says Prince of Peace Original Ginger Chews. They're gluten-free. Yes, this has already been opened. I haven't tried it. Actually, I had a friend over whose stomach was kind of upset, and so I let her try it. I'm gonna try one just to see. She said they're chewable like a gummy or something. So, I'm curious. So it's supposed to be like, just supposed to be good for your stomach. Like, I want to know how hard it is or how spicy it is, because ginger, true ginger, can really get you. It's a harder gummy, but it tastes like a gingerbread cookie. That level of spice. It literally tastes like I just took a bite out of one, except for the fact that this is a gummy. There is a little bit of sugar in it, so that's probably why. I was worried it was going to be like straight up spice. So that's cool. No, it's stuck in my teeth. Hold on one second. Okay. So along with that, they also sent the ginger honey crystals in the form of tea. It's gluten-free, caffeine-free. It says there's 10 sachets in here, but it's got like a decent amount of weight to it. So I'm wondering how much tea this actually makes. The gummy that I was chewing got spicier as I chewed it. So, like, it's got a decent spice level to it. I think that this would be excellent in the winter, especially for someone who's starting to get sick. And I've had this tea because it says when served hot will definitely it says it's going to warm you all the way through. So, because of the spice level and the fact that it's also hot, I think that this would be excellent for then. Of course, I have to try it now to review it to see what it tastes like, so I'm excited because now I can review those chews. I wonder what this would be like cold, because it says if served hot, which is how I assumed most people drink this. I never thought of drinking ginger tea cold, so even though I'm a cold tea drinker. So that's cool. Next thing we have, oops, looks like one of these had fallen out. Next thing we have, like I said, it's random. It's from Hellmann's. This is a spicy mayo dressing. It says medium heat. Made with real chili peppers. So that'll be cool. Put it on a burger or sandwich or something. I do like some spice. But I used to be able to eat spicy like crazy, but I kind of messed up my taste buds when I overdid it one time. Long story short, PMS cravings. But anyway, so yeah, I'm really curious to see. Yeah, there's some cayenne in here. How hot this is, and what it tastes like, and if it's a good flavor still. Because sometimes you can get things that say it's good flavor, and it sounds like it would taste good, and it doesn't. So I do like Hellmann's mayonnaise, so that is a plus. I think that's it for edible things in here. Next thing I have is from a company called Natine. Never heard of them. This is Clean Plus White. It's a fluoride-free toothpaste, and the flavor Clean Mint. It has natural flavors and sweeteners, non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial preservatives, colors, or dyes. And so it's vegan-friendly and infused with botanicals. So just use like normal. A carton is recyclable. The tube apparently is recyclable too. It says to check for the cap though in your area. So that's cool. What the tube looks like. Okay, so it's different. Kind of. I don't know. I feel it's like a lotion tube, but the thing is, like, my current toothpaste is also kind of in this tube, but metal. So I don't know. I just think that's neat, and I'm very eco-friendly. I try to as much as possible. Anything I can possibly recycle for a friend of mine, I will recycle it. Down to the last few things. Saving the most exciting thing for last. One of the most exciting things. So, for me, I'm a dork and this is exciting. This is a sample of OxyClean. I wish this was bigger, or a coupon for the bigger one, because I use OxyClean so frequently. It's my best friend. That is non-human or non-alive. Inanimate object. Anyway, it's so good at removing stains. It's so good at making my pillows from dull or stained, because sometimes I spill stuff I shouldn't have in the bed. And it makes them white again. And my whites that are already white, it makes them even whiter. So I'm very happy to have a sample of that. We always have that in our house. The next thing will be from my partner. You saw him just walk through. And this is Tiger Balm. These are pain relieving patches. I believe there are 5 patches. And they're for temporary relief of pain. If you've used Tiger Balm before, you know that it's one of those patches that get hot. And it really does a good job at making you feel better. A lot of the time it comes in kind of like a paste form and like a little tube. And you definitely want to make sure you wash your hands after dealing with it, because it will mess you up if you get that in your eye. But yeah, it's saying it comes also try Tiger Balm Arthritis Rub, Ultra Strength Ointment, and Muscle Rub for pain relief. So, yeah, it says it's not messy or greasy, won't stain clothes or anything, and it's pretty thin, so you can wear it under your clothes. So, got aches and pains, this is for you. We stand behind Tiger Balm because we've been using it for a long time. It's pretty popular around where I live anyway, because we got a lot of people working on farms, people working very hard, laborious work. And that'll really help So the thing that I'm most excited about out of this is from a company that I had never heard of, but I had looked it up and I thought that was so cool. It's called, I guess, I don't know if it's Aloe or Aloe, but it's a clean beauty company, and it's a glow system, Luminizing face moisturizer. It's got aloe and botanicals, radiant treatment, illuminates, softens, and nourishes for all skin types. It's got, it says #1 source of antioxidants and vitamin C. So apparently there's a berry called amla that's been used for millennia in India, and it's for healing and beauty. It's often called a miracle fruit, and so that's this #1 source of oxidants and vitamin C. It says it has 70 times more than goji berries, 60 times more than pomegranate, 50 times more than blueberries. It's anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown to help build collagen, protect against environmental damage, reduce fine lines, and improve skin texture, glow, pigmentation, and hydration. These are some huge claims, and like, I have all kinds of texture on my skin. As I've said many times, if you've been watching my videos, I have very dry skin. It's got texture from patches and kind of milia that comes with it. I have like some cellular overturn, but it's not, I don't know. It's not like something's not right. But, and I wash my face every day. So, and I exfoliate. I've used chemical exfoliators. I've used physical exfoliators. So, it's saying to do all this, apply to clean skin, dry skin, AM and PM. So, it says it's lightweight too. So, I'm excited to use this. That's why I saved it for last. I haven't even opened it. So, I'm going to see what it comes. Ooh, okay. It comes in a frosted glass jar. This is 2.2 fluid ounces. Looks like that. Oh, no scent. So that's cool. I cannot wait to start using that. So that is everything that I got from Influenster. I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you've tried any of these products, or give your opinions, or if you have questions about Influenster, let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.